Nitish Kumar is somewhere in Madhubani, is what we've been told this morning, because the second phase of electioneering has now kicked in, while 121 seats of the 243 go into vote in the first phase of elections. Let's cut across right now to our political panelists. Okay, before we do that, I want to get in my colleague Rahul Gautam, because in midst of all of this, in midst of, all the electioneering and the campaigning, Rahul Gautam, the backdrop or the narrative for the Mahagathbandhan has been very, very uneasy in terms of what we saw, where the seat sharing or the lack of cohesiveness during seat sharing came into the spotlight. The Congress right now, it will be very, very important for the Congress to perform, to keep up the bargain of the Mahagathbandhan, to actually make a bid for power. How is the Congress faring, Rahul Gautam, for someone who covers the party very closely? I was, in fact, in Bachwara, one of the seats going into voting in the first phase from the Begusarai district. This was a seat, Rahul, which was for the taking for the Congress or even the left or the Mahagathbandhan. But this is a seat where one might call it a friendly contest, but a highly unfriendly, and a bitter contest is taking place, where allies are at war, facing off against each other, and the RJD really clueless on who to support. And many such battles are playing out. Will the Congress be the weakling again? What is the backroom of the Congress suggesting this time? 61 seats, Rahul, they are fighting.
Well, Preeti, as far as Congress is concerned, they clearly knows the fact that last time also they were blamed that, Tejasvi Yadav couldn't form the government only because of the poor performance of Congress party. And that's why this time around, Congress is investing all its energy, all its senior leadership, efforts to ensure that Congress increases its tally. Congress is not contesting on 61 seats, Preeti. They're contesting on 58 seats because they have already withdrawn 3 candidates. Out of 58 seats, again, there are around 7 to 8 friendly matches or fights that are happening. So essentially, Congress is contesting 50 seats. And, a very senior leader was telling me out of those, 58 seats, 38 seats are those seats which have not won by Mahagathbandhan in last 5 terms. So you can expect, you can imagine how difficult it would be for Congress party to increase its tally from 17 MLAs or 19 MLAs that they have got to had deserted them.
So Rahul Gautam, at least, what I've picked up on ground, especially from the local cadre and Congress leaders, that the Congress this time could even struggle to keep its bargain of getting in 19 seats. Is that a possibility? 19 was their track record the last time when they fought 71 seats. The Congress might say they're fighting 50 seats, but that would mean the 8 friendly fights are a giveaway and a throwaway to the NDA.
Absolutely. Congress is finding it extremely difficult to replicate, its performance that it had shown back in 2020, given the fact that we all have seen that how there a lot of chaos happened when ticket distribution was happening. You have seen, ruckus outside Patna airport when Krishna Allavaru, Shakil Ahmed, Rajesh Ram, they landed there. And there were allegations that how money changed hands, in lieu or exchange of tickets. So and there are a lot of infighting here, a lot of factions here.
Shots coming in of Samrat Chaudhary. Samrat Chaudhary, Deputy CM, whose fate is on the line from the seat of Tarapur, Munger district. He's never fought from there. He's come back because his family has a stronghold. And the spotlight on the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar as well through the course of this election. Lots of questions were raised, especially by the likes of Prashant Kishore, on his qualification, on his education background, and the criminal record as well. Listen.
सर एक चीज पॉजिटिव देख रहा है
So, Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, Samrat Chaudhary, many would suggest himself a dynast right now in the fray. He's the son of former Minister Shakuni Chaudhary, contesting from the seat of Tarapur, which is not his traditional seat. but has come down because his family has a stronghold there where Tarapur in Munger is concerned.